You're at the airport, your flight is delayed, and you instinctively connect to the free Wi-Fi to check emails, scroll through social media, or stream a show. It seems harmless. After all, airports are secure places, right? Unfortunately, airport Wi-Fi is a goldmine for cybercriminals. These networks, often unsecured or poorly encrypted, allow hackers to easily intercept data, steal sensitive information, or even install malware on unsuspecting travelers' devices. But that's not the only danger lurking in airports. Many travelers also unknowingly expose their devices to risk when using public USB charging stations, which can be compromised to steal data or install malicious software. So, how dangerous is airport Wi-Fi, and how can you protect yourself while traveling? Let's break it down. What is wrong with airport Wi-Fi? When you connect to public Wi-Fi, you assume you're communicating directly with the internet. But what if someone was secretly listening in? That's exactly what happens in a man-in-the-middle attack, one of the most common threats on airport Wi-Fi. A hacker intercepts your internet connection, positioning themselves between you and the legitimate network. Without your knowledge, everything you send, login credentials, emails, or credit card numbers, passes through their hands. They can read, modify, and even inject malicious data before forwarding it along. Airport Wi-Fi might seem like a convenience, but without precautions, it's an open invitation for cybercriminals. Airport Wi-Fi isn't the only cybersecurity threat travelers face. Many people unknowingly expose their devices to risk when they plug into public USB charging stations. These charging ports, found in airport lounges, gate areas, and waiting zones, may seem like a lifesaver when your phone battery is low. But what most people don't realize is that USB ports don't just transmit power, they can also transfer data. Cybercriminals exploit this vulnerability in an attack known as juice jacking. Juice jacking occurs when hackers tamper with public charging stations to install malware or steal data from any device that connects to them. When you plug in, your device may silently transfer sensitive data such as contacts, emails, or passwords to an attacker's device. Get infected with malware that allows hackers to control your phone remotely, or be locked with ransomware, requiring payment to regain access to your files. Public Wi-Fi and USB charging stations may seem convenient, but they come with serious risks. Cybercriminals rely on travelers choosing convenience over security, and that's how they strike. The good news? With a VPN, a USB data blocker, and smart cybersecurity habits, you can stay safe and connected without falling into a hacker's trap. Next time you're at the airport, take a moment to think, is the free Wi-Fi really worth the risk? A little preparation goes a long way in protecting your data, your finances, and your peace of mind. Contact us at Kyber Security for more cybersecurity protection tips, and protect yourself from the hidden dangers you may not even know exist.